Dell here, and we're food evaluating a corn tamale. So for those of you who have not had one, and that includes me in that group, we're gonna test these out for you. The package that they came in with, we're not gonna show you because it's just not a distinctive package. So what we're talking about here is probably corn tamales in general. So, and it can see that, I don't know if you can see, but it's steaming. And this is the part that with corn, it comes around the corn cob. And
so you gotta open
so
it
this
up.
kind of got to open it up
Yeah.
like that.
The soft part is what you eat.
The soft part is what you eat.
The inside. The inside.
The inside.
No. That's the hard. That's still the outside.
Okay.
Yeah. So flip it around.
Like that?
Yeah. And then eat the inside. Take off the corn husk.
Completely.
Yeah. That's the inside. You see it?
I see.
That's what you eat.
Oh, I see. So this here is more of that.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the idea of it steaming doesn't mean that the inside, what I just bit into, is not burning.
How we cooked them is we steamed them.
Yeah.
That's the way they were cooked.
We had a special pot, and then there was another apparatus that sat in that pot, and then the tamales were in the top part, and they got steamed. So it's sort of like bread so far inside. And so if these are corn tamales, I don't know that, maybe you might want to put some sauce on these or something. Add to them. So I'm going to try a couple of things here. One of them is taco sauce. And we'll see if that gives it a little something. And this taco sauce is cold. And we'll try a little bit of it. There. So we'll just try a taste of it. And get the table over here so it doesn't this. There it is. That's not bad. But these items, both items, the sauce and the tamales, is more or less from the Latin culture, from the Spanish-speaking world, and so that I really think I hit the jackpot there, because I think it gives the tamale some pizzazz to it and some flavor and depth. Now I'll try seafood sauce, which I usually use with items like this. And these items are come in sticks, but they also come in like smaller chunk-like sizes. But I use this sauce to eat with that. So we'll try it with the corn tamale and see if it does anything. It's kind of maybe a long shot to try something, but since I recommended to you that this might taste better with sauce, now that we're on TV, the sauce doesn't want to cooperate. I have to get some out here. Nope, I guess we're not getting anywhere with that. So there's a little bit there, it's coming out. There. I guess we have to try a little bit more. There, I got, I think, enough on it just to give it the taste to see if it'll go good together. Yeah, it kind of works. So that's just something, a couple of examples of what to try, and I'm sure that you might have some some salad dressing or something, or some sort of substance to give it a little flavor, and so I just wanted to follow up on that and just give you a couple of options. And so I hope this helps. Merry Christmas.